Thank you for joining us for this PageUp Performance Management tutorial for supervisors. In this video, we discuss how to complete the end-of-year evaluation. Your direct reports will send their forms to you in early January. From there, you'll have about a month to complete the end-of-year evaluation. The first step in the process is scheduling a meeting with your direct report to discuss their review. Then, when you open the form, you'll review all sections for the employee's notes and comments. After reviewing, you assign star ratings for key accountabilities, goals, success factors, and an overall rating. Lastly, you'll sign off on the review. Let's log into the system to walk through this process. To access the form, visit the URL on this screen and log in using your Lehigh username and password. To get started, click on this year's performance review, then review all information in the Start section. You'll want to review all sections of the form, including planning and quarterly notes. Here we can see all of the employees' notes from the first through fourth quarters. Then you'll click on the Self-Assessment Development Plan section to review the important information input for you by the employee. It's a series of questions they'll answer. At the bottom of the page, you can see what training they've completed this year. Click Completed to view specifics. Now we're ready to assign star ratings and add comments to the review form. The Responsibilities and Ratings section is where you enter comments and assign star ratings. You'll assign star ratings and enter comments for accountabilities, goals, Lehigh core success factors, and, if the employee manages other staff, managerial success factors as well. Let's see what this looks like. We'll go to Responsibilities and Ratings and assign a 3-star rating for accountabilities before we add our comment. You can use the Save as Private option to add notes for yourself or to save a draft of your comment. Shared comments are required for all rated items and do not save automatically. They're used to elaborate on your rating and provide additional feedback to the employee. Click Save and Share to post your comment to the review. Shared comments are visible to the employee. To link a journal entry or upload additional attachments to the review, use the drop-down menu next to the Add Comment button. To assign the overall rating, click on Next Steps. You'll see that the form automatically defaults to 1 star. This must be updated. Use the sliding scale to set the new rating. The overall rating should align with stars assigned in Responsibilities and Ratings. When finished, click Save, and then reload the page to make sure that your overall rating is saved. From here, we click the Go to Next Steps button, which will send the review to the employee immediately. There are a few important things to check if you click Go to Next Step and receive an error or are unable to move the form forward. Final comments are required. These are entered into the Next Step section of the form, the same place where you set the overall rating. If you still can't move the form forward, take a look at the pink box at the top of the Next Steps section. This is where the system defines what steps must be taken to move the form forward. The PageUp system requires comments in every comment field of the form, including the quarterly notes section. Lehigh's performance management process requires comments in the Responsibilities and Ratings section and overall comments. You will need to enter no comment or NC in the quarterly notes section. If you've assigned any 1-star, unsatisfactory, or 2-star needs improvement ratings, please email us at inperf@lehigh.edu. You can choose to discuss the performance review with the employee either before or after finalizing the review. The employee will have the opportunity to review and respond to ratings and comments before acknowledging their review. You should review all sections of the form for any additional employee comments before finalizing their review. Then you can celebrate that the end-of-year evaluation is complete. Thank you for joining us today. Additional resources, including a detailed user guide, can be found on the HR site and within the Learning Library.